Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring power won't interrupt the backlight. First, plug the laptop in and confirm battery is above 20%. This prevents power-saving overrides. Then open your system power controls, Windows settings System Power and Sleep, or Mac OS Energy Saver. Once there, switch to a high-performance plan or disable sleep when plugged in so the keyboard won't be turned off by aggressive power profiles. Make sure adaptive display dimming is off. That's often the initial culprit. Next, you'll change the backlight timeout and sensor behavior. Open your laptop maker's control app Dell, HP, Lenovo utilities to set keyboard backlight timeout to never or a longer interval. Restart and enter BIOS/UEFI to find keyboard illumination timeout. Change it to never or a large value so firmware won't cut power. If your model has an ambient light sensor, lower its sensitivity or disable it. Otherwise, the system dims the LEDs automatically when the room darkens or brightens. Finally, you'll ensure software isn't fighting your settings. Update or reinstall keyboard, HID, and chipset drivers. Outdated drivers can reset backlight policies. On Windows, open Device Manager and turn off power saving for USB/HID devices so the OS won't suspend the keyboard. Reboot, then test the light with built-in keys and any manufacturer utility to confirm it stays on. If it still shuts off, try a small external backlight utility. If that fails, the troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.